Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Evelyn E. Silvano. You can call me Lynn for short. I'm 35 years old. I live here in Parañaque, which found in Metro Manila. I'm happily married with 4 children, ages 13, 10, 9, and 7 years old. My husband is a safety officer. My parents are both farmers. I have 5 siblings, 4 brothers and 1 sister, and I'm the youngest one in the family. Way back 2022, I've been a domestic helper in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia with the family members of 4, 2 adults and 2 children. Ages 12 years old is the oldest one, while 8 years old is the youngest. My duties are in the morning, I prepare their lunch box for school. Every day cook for lunch and dinner, washing and ironing of clothes, cleaning the house, and teaching them the basic English word. Then, before I went to Saudi, I've been also a babysitter and housekeeper in Philippines with Filipino citizen, with the family members of 4, 2 adults and 2 children, ages infant, 0 months old, and toddler, 2 years old. My duties are taking them bath, prepare and cook foods to feed them, everyday cooking for their lunch and dinner, washing their clothes, cleaning the house. I taught them the basic word and playing is our pastime. I'm a college graduate and currently working as office staff while applying for household worker. I do love cooking and baking. I enjoy taking care of children, especially babies, and doing house chores is my hobby. To my future employer, I will treat your family as my own family. I will make sure that they will feel secured and safe all the time. Hoping to see you soon. Thank you!